We have a man overboard situation on a Royal Caribbean ship, and Disney has made some major cruise announcements. Hey everybody, if you are new here, make sure you like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all things theme park cruise and travel. And if you're a returning viewer, make sure you click that notification bell so you never miss a video. In today's first story, we don't know if this is a man or a woman, but a cruiser went overboard while sailing on Royal Caribbean's Explorer of the Seas. Reports are stating that this cruiser plummeted 100 feet into the ocean, and there is speculation that this cruiser would have received extensive injuries. This happened on August the 9th, and they have been searching for this cruiser for several days at this point. There have been no updates on this case, but it is believed that if the cruiser did survive, that they would have extensive injuries. If there are any updates on this story, I will be sure to let you know, so make sure you ring that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Disney is making a lot of moves in the cruise industry. We already have the Disney Treasure that is currently being worked on and is expected to launch in December of this year. But D23 just happened, and they have not disappointed if you are a lover of Disney cruises. Disney has announced just this weekend that they are building 4 brand new cruise ships. This is on top of the 4 cruises that they had previously announced that they were going to be building. So this is very big news for the Disney Cruise Line. We haven't received any more information about these 4 additional cruise ships, with the exception of they will start being built in 2027 and completion will be in 2031. I think it's pretty safe to say that Disney made a very smart business decision here. Cruising is booming. There is a lot of opportunity for growth and to make a lot of money for the company. As someone who loves cruises and loves Disney, I think we all know that by now. I am so excited about this. I've actually never been on a Disney cruise. I should really do that, maybe in the future, maybe next summer. And even though I haven't gone on a Disney cruise yet, I'm really excited to know that I'm going to have a lot of options. What do you guys think about Disney making this big announcement and all these Disney cruise ships coming to a port near you? Make sure you let me know in the comments below. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if you want to stay up to date on all things theme park cruise and travel, please consider subscribing with that notification bell on. Until next time,